Take a crack at it, unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, take a crack at it. If you've ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what it means or how you can use it in your own conversations, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. The phrase, take a crack at it, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they want to take a crack at it, they mean they want to try something, usually for the first time, or attempt to do something that might be challenging. It's all about giving it a go, even if success isn't guaranteed. This expression carries a connotation of bravery and willingness to step out of one's comfort zone. While the exact origin of take a crack at it is a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the idea of cracking a problem or challenge, similar to cracking a nut open. Over time, it has come to symbolize making an attempt or effort to solve a problem, complete a task, or achieve a goal, emphasizing the action of trying rather than the outcome. This section will show you how to seamlessly incorporate take a crack at it into your everyday conversations or writings. Here are a few examples. When facing a new challenge, I've never tried sushi making before, but I'm willing to take a crack at it. Encouraging someone to try, you've been studying Spanish for a while now. Why not take a crack at having a conversation, expressing a willingness to attempt a difficult task? This puzzle looks complicated, but I'll take a crack at it. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal challenges to encouraging others. To remember and use, take a crack at it, effectively, associate it with the idea of attempting something new or challenging. Whenever you're faced with a task that seems daunting, remind yourself that taking a crack at it is the first step towards learning and improvement. Practice using the phrase in your daily conversations or in writing to make it a natural part of your English vocabulary. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, usage, and origins of the phrase, take a crack at it. English is full of fascinating idioms like this one, and learning them can make your communication more vibrant and engaging. Remember, the key to mastering a new language is to always be willing to take a crack at new words and expressions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey in our next video.